Okay, so we did just learn about. Okay, talked about our words and the sounds that the letters make and how that and we can use them. So to make a word and how to sound out our words when we're reading a story. So now we are going to go ahead and go on to our activity for the day. So I'm going to call on you one by one, and you're going to come up and you're going to participate in the activity here on the screen. So I have your names all here in the popsicle sticks, and I will draw names so that way it's fair. And when you come up, go ahead and do the activity, and I'll help you if you need help, or your classmates can help you if you need help. But the other classmates, while your friends are up here doing the activity, we need to make sure that our voices are off and that we're quiet and respectful and listening so we can learn from them as well. And if you have any helpful things to say, raise your hand and we can help our friends if we need it. So, first name out of the cup that I'm going to pick is Emma. Emma, come on up. Okay, so it looks like we have a picture up here on the screen.
Fox.
The fox. So, fox. Go ahead and fill in the letters, and you're going to need to just use the mouse here. Nope. Great. Good job, Emma. You can sit back down in your seat. You got that one right. Look, we're going to move on to the castle. Great job, guys. Let's see where it takes us next. Wig. All right, and let's see whose name we can pull out of the cup. All right, Wyatt, can you come on up, please?
Spell the word wig.
Great job. Do you think he's right, class? You don't think so? Well, let's see. You're right. Good job, Wyatt. Let's see where we head to next. Jam, okay. Emma, you want to come on up and spell jam? Jam. And you have to use the mouse.
I'm kidding.
Great job, Emma. Jam. Let's see if she's right. All right. We arrived at the school. All right, and let's do one more here so that way Wyatt can go again. And we will move on to our next activity for the day. All right, Wyatt, come on up. Let's see which one we got. Well, maybe. Oh, and we are having technical difficulties, which is a good way for you guys to learn when you guys are doing this on your own what you need to do to fix it. So we're just going to close out and we're going to hit play again. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, Wyatt, come on up. Jam, good job. Do you guys notice that as you hover over the letters, it sounds them out for you? So that way, if you have any trouble sounding, it helps you create the word there. And this is a game that we can play independently during free time too. So great job, guys. Give me 5. Good work. Thank you. Okay, and so that was the lesson for today. So now we are going to go back to our seats. Everybody sit down quietly and get out a pencil, and I'm going to pass out a paper that you guys are going to have some time to complete.